Corridor, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor CPEC, Chinese Zhongba Xingye Zolang, Urdu चीन-पाकिस्तान इक़्तिसादी राहदारी is a 3,000 km Chinese infrastructure network project currently under construction in Pakistan. This sea and land-based corridor aims to secure and shorten the route for China's energy imports from the Middle East, avoiding the existing path through the states of Malacca between Malaysia and Indonesia, which could be blockaded in case of war, thereby threatening China's energy-dependent economy. Developing a deep water port at Gwadar in the Arabian Sea and establishing a robust road and rail networks from this port to the Xinjiang region in western China would serve as a shortcut, enhancing trade between Europe and China in Pakistan. The project aims to address electricity shortages, develop infrastructure and modernize transportation networks, while also transitioning the economy from an agriculture-based structure to an industrial one. Mission Statement: Securing energy import and trade boost for China. Infrastructure development for Pakistan. Type of project: Economic Corridor. Location: in Pakistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit, Baltistan, Punjab, Balochistan, Sindh and Pak AGK. In China, Xinjiang. Established 20 April 2015, 10 years ago. Budget $62 billion. Status: a few projects are operational while a special economic zone are under construction. As of 2020, CPEC is seen as the main plank of China's Belt and Road Initiative, and as of early 2024 is the BRI's most developed land corridor. Such potential impact on Pakistan has been compared to that of the Marshall Plan undertaken by the United States in the post-war Europe. Following the proposal by China's Premier Li Keqiang in 2013. Once operational, the existing 12,000 km journey for
وهم يتغافلون عن قول الله تعالى
will be reduced to just
قال الله تبارك وتعالى ولن ترضى عنك اليهود ولا النصارى حتى تتبع ملتهم قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى ولئن اتبعت أهواءهم بعد الذي جاءك من العلم ما لك من الله من ولي ولا نصير.
Originally valued at $46 billion, the value of CPEC projects was $62 billion as of 2020. By 2020, Chinese investment in Pakistan had risen to $65 billion. China refers to this project as the revival of the Silk Road. CPEC envisages rapidly upgrading Pakistan's infrastructure and thereby strengthening its economy by contrasting modern transportation networks, numerous energy project and special economic zones. The potential industry being set up in the CPEC special economic zones include food processing, cooking oil, ceramic, games and jewelry, marble, minerals, agriculture, machinery, iron and steel, motorbike, assembling, electrical appliances and automobiles.